Before we get our hands dirty with construction, we get to have a little bit of fun. Some of the best parts of a construction project have nothing to do with construction at all. What better way to kick things off than with some soccer and some beer? Long story short, France wins. Now, the real fun, the groundbreaking ceremony. Just like at the World Cup viewing party, there's plenty of beer to go around.
Hey, good afternoon. How's everyone doing today? So it's a pleasure to have you all here. We really thank you for attending today's groundbreaking ceremony for the new Border X Brewery. All right!
So I just want to say, after a year and a half, almost 2 years probably, I'm so excited to be here, and I really am looking forward to being part of this wonderful community.
We're here with the mayor. We just wanted to ask a couple quick questions. First question we want to ask, what defines the city of Bell?
You know, Bell is what I consider, and many people call, the gem of the Southeast. You know, these are the Southeast cities that are right between Los Angeles, downtown Los Angeles, and Long Beach. You know, I think it's a community that's very family oriented. I think we have a lot of activities that go on that really keep people engaged. But there's always room for more, and excited about what the future holds. You know, I follow Border X on social media, so I get to see a lot of the great things they do down in San Diego, and I'm excited about them bringing that to our community. I think this area is primed for that. We're thirsty for that, and it's going to be transformational. You know, just a lot of the cultural, the artistic element to it. It's something we're really craving and ready for.
David's watching, San Diego, Barrio Logan's watching. What's the one thing you would say, bring this to Bell? What are the couple things you would say, hey, David, Border X team, bring these elements to us?
Again, the art, the cultural events, just that whole excitement that comes with it. I can guarantee there's going to be a packed house here. And one thing that really impresses me is that down in San Diego, they have events like, every day of the week, it seems. And so just having that nonstop activity going on here, it's going to be, like I said, transformational for Bell, and we're excited. We're excited to have Border X, be a part of our community.
So we went there, and your staff is watching amazing.
So we're in the brewery space. Right now it's just a super ugly shell. What's it going to look like? What's your vision here?
Well, basically, we're going to make a temple to brewing. And, the first thing you're going to notice is that we're going to tear out this ugly drywall, and we're going to expose the ceiling, and you're going to walk in here, and that's going to be the first thing that draws your attention. Second thing that's going to draw your attention is you're going to look to your right. There's going to be stainless steel fermentation tanks in our brew house right there in the corner, and a beautiful bar with concrete countertop and kind of that industrial metal and refurbished wood bar in front. And then we'll have this tremendous open space here in the center where we'll have a variety of seating, and then we'll put a stage right over here in this corner because we always host music and all kinds of different cultural events, so that'll be kind of a focal point. And we're still debating what to do with some of these interesting spaces that we have here in the front. I really like this space over here to make it really more comfortable where people can lounge and invite them to stay longer. And then we're still working on this mezzanine area, which is really just an incredible space. It's going to be wide open. It's got the factory style windows in the back. And I think the impression people will get is they're in a special place. And the great thing is we'll have air conditioning for hot days like today.
Last question, if you could ask the city of Bell for help, you'll be hiring soon. What are the couple things that they can help you do?
I think, number one, they keep doing what they're doing. This is a wonderful city, and I think the mayor, the vice mayor, the city council members should be acknowledged for the great work they've done, because that's what's bringing us here, is this great community and the people that live here. So that's number one. Number two is that they help us spread the word and welcome us as part of the community. And they have, and we haven't even opened yet. This grand opening, or the groundbreaking, is an example of the community accepting us. And then be partners. Work with us to create the kinds of events that we want to create to make this a destination in LA, which I think it's going to be.
We're empty right now. There's a beer tent, so we're gonna go. We're gonna go drink. Thanks, guys.
Salud.